Then next, you can also use one thing called calculated field. Okay, this one, if let's say you don't want it, you can just click on it and just click delete. But right now, I will just drag it into a separate thing because I want to insert more items to share with you. So let's say right now, I would like to know different information which doesn't appear on my source data and also on my pivot pivot table report. So how I can do that is to utilize this calculated field function. So to do that, we go to Pivot Table Tools, Analyze, and go to Calculation. Click on this Field Items and Set. After which, click on Calculated Field. So this Insert Calculated Field dialog box will appear over here. So let's say right now we can name it. Okay, let's say right now I want to know the conversion rate. That means between the footfall that's coming to our retail outlets, how many actually successfully converted into a sales. Okay, so I name this as conversion rate. Then formula is just the normal Excel formula that you will use. So here you can key in the field that you need to this formula to work. So for example, right now I will be choosing, let's say, my numbers of paid customer. Okay, then I can just double click on this field, or I can just click on it and then insert the field. Then it will appear over in my formula section. Then after which I can use the divide function over here. Then I can choose footfall. Then I choose insert field. So once I'm done with the insert field, then I can just click on add button. Then it will recognize this as a calculated field. And once I click OK, you will see a new set of data appearing over here on the conversion rate. And this should be in percentage. So I will just change this to percentage. Okay, and I can add as many calculator fields as I want. So for example, right now, I can use Analyze and then click on Calculator field again. Then let's say I want to know the average revenue per paid customer. Okay, then I use the formula. Again, I go to my revenue, double click or divided by number of paid customer, insert field, same thing. So I add. Once I click OK, then you'll see the new calculator fields appearing on my pivot table report. And the good thing about using this calculator field is that whenever you change the structure of your pivot table, this calculation will also automatically update it. So for example, right now, I don't want my MRT network. I just pull this one out. You also show the result by outlets. And if let's say, for example, I just want this result by MRT network, I can also drag and drop. Then you'll see the calculator field auto-calculated based on the fields that we put in under our this area.